Right now at 10, regaining the right to vote. A judge rules Florida is putting too many obstacles in the path of people who committed felonies and served their time. But the new ruling only applies to some former felons.
Namely, it's the ones who are unable to pay or unable to find out how much they owe. Florida's law requires felons to pay legal fees as part of their sentences before they regain their right to vote. Today, a federal judge called it a, quote, pay-to-vote system and said it was unconstitutional when applied to felons who were otherwise eligible to vote, but genuinely unable to pay the required amount. There's also the matter of felons who don't know how much they owe. I spoke tonight with Jimmy Midyett, who is part of the legal team for the ACLU of Florida when they filed the lawsuit. He says requiring ex-felons to cover court costs undermined the constitutional amendment voters passed in 2018. That amendment allowed ex-felons to get their voting rights back.
Many people worked very hard throughout 2018 to get that measure on the ballot and then to get it passed. And it was passed by over 65% of the voters. So it was clear that Floridians really did want to remove these barriers from folks to vote.
Federal Judge Robert Hinkle said the requirement to pay fines and restitution as ordered in a sentence is constitutional for those who are able to pay if the amount can be determined. He also acknowledged he probably won't be the last word in this case. Governor Ron DeSantis' administration is expected to launch an appeal.